All right, so last night our heat stopped working and tried figuring out what's going on. The gas is fine. And I just noticed our condensate drain line, which extends way too far, too close to the ground. This was completely covered in snow and ice, and it's frozen. I can feel the ice right at the base of it. No telling how high it goes up, but I've been wanting to extend this farther away from the house anyway, putting a 90 right here and bringing a pipe out this way. It's because during the summer, it just dumps water right here. So anyway, I'm gonna cut this pipe off and hopefully it's not frozen all the way up, but we're about to find out. Oh yeah. Wow. All right. Kind of nasty. Looks like it needs to be cleaned, but that should surely have fixed the issue. Let's go check it out. All right, moment of truth. Blower's on. Little igniter rod thing glowing. Oh baby. Oh baby.